This information guide will assist the user with creating, managing, editing, and using the Safety 360 Elite safety file process. On the left navigation pane, click on the Safety Files icon. On the main Safety File dashboard we have the following 4 cards. New Safety Files is the creation portal. My Safety Files for managing existing files. Shared Safety Files, and lastly, Archived Safety Files. When building a new safety file, add a name, and choose between 4 types of files. Once the user clicks Create, the file will be registered. Files that have been created by mistake can be archived. Existing files can be found under My Safety File. From here the user will see a tab for each of the 4 safety file types: Templates, Master, Safety, Contractor. Users can click on the card to open the file dashboard. By default, only the creator of a file will have access. They must first share the file with other users to gain access. Access can be revoked by clicking on the user and selecting Revoke. There is also a bulk revoke option. By clicking the 3 dots in the current folder, or gray bar, the user can edit or manage the content. When creating a new folder, the user will be tasked with entering folder name and folder type. By default, users should use the general folder type. After this has been added, the dashboard will update, and the user can click to open the folder. Once all the folders have been created, we can populate them. By clicking the 3 dots, the user can import from IMS. This will open the File Explorer, where the users can browse loaded document to be included in the folder. If the file is not loaded to IMS, the user can click on Upload. This will open a box where the user can drag and drop files from their local device. Date range is required for non-system documents. Users can view PDF, JPEG and PNG files without downloading. Unnecessary and erroneous items can be removed by collaborators with correct permissions. Next we can move to the verification phase. This will include sharing, as well as auditing the file. To start the audit, they can click the Start Audit button in the bottom left of the dashboard. The audit icon will appear and will be present on all folders, subfolders and documents. Clicking the audit icon will open the audit selector. Here users can select status for item they are auditing: passed, failed, or ignored. The primary goal of Safety 360 Elite Safety File Auditor is to ensure there is audit status for every folder, subfolder, and every document. All findings and comments are available under the Audits tab at the bottom of the dashboard. Users can export the audit report data to CSV or PDF. Once the self-assessment audit is complete, the file can be shared. By default, only the creator of a file can access it until it is shared with other users. Clicking the sharing icon will open the Safety File Collaborators list. There are 3 types of sharing: Share with My Company, S360 Company, via System, and Standard, via email. For sharing with company, only users from the same company can be selected. For both other options, users can select companies that have their own system, as well as specific users. There is a mandatory message box to give instructions. These are followed by permissions that must be given to allow certain actions. For external sharing, the user must set an expiry date for access to the file. Files that have been shared internally are also available under the Shared Safety File tab. 3 vital rules when sharing files. 1. If the person you are sharing with has a Safety 360 Elite login, use internal sharing. If not, then use external sharing. 2. Once a file has been shared, it's been shared. Sharing happens only once. From there, files follow the assign vs return process. 3. Always remember to return files to other involved parties once you are done, as there is only one party in charge at a time. If you are the creator, remember to assign the file. Under the left navigation pane there is a feature called Reports. By making use of reports, we can pull data for number of files, audit scores, and duration spent. Here users would apply the required filters and click on Search. All raw data can be extracted to CSV for external use, and the report displayed on screen can also be exported to PDF by clicking the PDF icon. Please ensure, where possible, that documents are loaded onto the Safety 360 Elite File Explorer. By using the File Explorer, we can ensure that all documents can be managed in one place, to avoid duplication and confusion. Here are some rules to remember when dealing with files. 1. Access to files must be given via sharing. 2. Only template and master files can be copied. 3. templates and master files cannot be shared externally. 4. The preferred choice for file population is import from IMS. 5. Only the assigned parties can make changes or audit file. 6. Only one assigned party at a time. Check in, check out. 7. No duplicates on import of files or folders in a file, even if they are in other folders. 8. Once shared internally, files must be assigned and reassigned. Sharing happened only once. Safety Files aims to assist users with creating, maintaining, sharing and reporting on digital safety files.